am Nikhil and I hail from India's cleanest city, Indore. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM with a major in marketing and minor in analytics. I have done my engineering in computer science, and post that, I got an incredible opportunity to work with Infosys in my summer internship. During the course of 2 months, I worked with the Infosys' core marketing team, delving deeper into the B2B marketing domain, which is intricate yet very exciting. So the project involved conducting comprehensive competitive intelligence and generate strategic insights for Microsoft Business Applications practice at Infosys. So it basically involved analyzing trends, identifying differentiating points, and analyzing the competitors' positioning. But the most important part of the project was to develop well-researched and intriguing marketing campaigns so that it can potentially increase the sales pipeline and thus the business growth. To complete my objective, I adopted data-driven approach, harnessing the power of analytics to gain insights in the marketing domain. During the course, I faced challenges that tested my problem-solving skills, but with the determination and the constant support of my mentors, both faculty and corporate, I sailed through all those challenges. So the journey was not only about challenges, it was a treasure trove of learning experiences. If I have to say about one major key takeaway, it would be learning the intricacies of B2B marketing. I learned how to tailor strategies to target audience, craft compelling content, and make data-driven decisions that impact the real business. Meanwhile, I also assisted in hosting a sophisticated B2B event that showed the participation of 30 plus Australian clients. So I got a sneak peek into how marketing events are conducted in a B2B firm like Infosys.